Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. So now we are continue exercise 1.3, question number 3rd. We have completed question number 2 in the previous lecture. So now we are starting with the question number 3. Okay. The sum of the two numbers is 5 by 9. Here some word problems like the sum of two numbers is 5 by 9. If one of the number is 1/3, then find the other number. So let me start with let the other number be x, and sum of x and which number? 1/3 is 5 by 9. So we want to find the x. ठीक है? So here x plus 1/3 is equal to 5 by 9. Now 1/3 plus है. As per the transpose method, whenever we transpose to the left hand side to right hand side, the sign will be changed according to it. Yes, 1/3 sign is plus. Whenever we transpose to the right hand side, it become a minus. So x is equal to 5 by 9 minus 1/3. So now first off we get the LCM of 9 and 3, and LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. Is 9. So x is equal to 5 upon 9 as it is, minus 1 upon 3. Which number we are multiply with the 3, then we can get the 9. 3 3s are 9. So we can multiply 3 as a numerator and denominator. X is equal to 5 upon 9 minus 1 3s are 3 upon 9. X is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 9. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 upon 9 is our answer. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 4 आपको करना है होमवर्क में, सेम टू सेम है. Now question number 5. The sum of two numbers is minus 4 upon 3. If one of the number is minus 5, then find other number. सेम टू सेम एग्जाम्पल है. यहाँ पे थर्ड वाले में let the other number be x, and sum of x and minus 5 is x and minus 5 is minus 4 by 3. So that x plus minus 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now we know that plus minus minus. So that x minus 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now whenever the transpose minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed. It's minus. Here it become a plus. So that x is equal to minus 4 upon 3 plus 5. Now we are getting the LCM of 3. So that x is equal to minus 4 upon 3 plus 5 multiply with 3 upon 3. X is equal to minus 4 upon 3 plus 5 3s are 15 upon 3. X is equal to minus 4 plus 15 upon 3. So now both sign will be opposite. One is plus and second is minus. So we can get the subtraction. 15 minus 4, it become 11, and sign will be taken from the bigger value. So x is equal to 11 by 3. Okay. Write down the question number 3 and 5th. Now सिक्स आप होमवर्क में करेंगे, सेवन्थ में कराऊंगा. What should be added to -7 upon 8 so as to get the 5 upon 9? 6 7th. Let me assume, let me added, या इस तरह से करेंगे हम. लेट अदर नंबर n x is add to which number? -7 upon 8. -7 upon 8. So to get 9 by 5 by 9. So here x is added to -7 upon 8. So to get a 5 upon 9, x plus -9 upon 8 is equal to 5 by 9. सिर्फ पूछने की मेथड उसने लैंग्वेज चेंज कर दी है. ठीक है, पूछा तो एक ही बात है, बट उसने स्टेटमेंट बदल दिया है. सो x -9 upon 8 is equal to 5 by 9. Here -9 upon 8 is transferred to the right hand side, then it become a plus. So x is equal to 5 upon 9 plus 9 upon 8. Now we are getting the LCM. The LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. 9 8s are 72. So x is equal to 5 upon 9 multiply with 8 plus 9 upon 8 multiply with 9 multiply with 9. 8 5s are 40 upon 72 plus 9 9s are 81 upon 72. Now we get the addition is 1 and 121 upon 72. X is our answer. Okay. Now 7th. What number should be added to -5 upon 11? Let me the number is x and if x is added to which number? -5 upon 11, then get 26 upon 33. Okay. So here -5 upon 4 to added x is equal to 26 upon 33. Now -5 upon 6 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, then it become a plus. So x is alone at the left hand side and 26 upon 33 माइनस वैल्यू सामने जाएगा तो प्लस 5 upon 4. So that x is equal to not a 4, it's a 11. Okay. So now we are getting the LCM of 33. We can easily see here 33 ones are 33 and 11 threes are 33. So 33 is the least common multiple of both numbers. So 26 upon 33 as it is plus 5 multiply with 3, 11 multiply with 3. 26 upon 33 plus 5 threes are 15 upon 33. Now we are getting the 5 plus 6, 11, carry up 1, 41. 41 upon 33 is our answer. Okay. 7th and this one is 9th. 9th? No, 8. It's 8. Now what number should be added to -5 upon 7? आप होमवर्क में कर लेना, ठीक है. होमवर्क में कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स दिया था मैंने? 4th वाला, then 6, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6 and 9. याद रखना। वो तो आप जब भी ये जब लेक्चर देख के आप होमवर्क कर रहे होगे तभी जो क्वेश्चन मैं यहाँ पे लेफ्ट कर रहा हूँ वो आपको सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस में अपने आप ही करना है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, छोटे एग्जाम्पल्स ही है। नाउ 8 के बाद आएगा 9। व्हाट नंबर शुड बी, 9 तो आपको होमवर्क में दिया 10। व्हाट नंबर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम -5 to 3 to get 5 upon 6. Let be the other number is x, and if x is subtract from which number, -5 upon 3, then get 5 by 6. So here x is subtract from the -5 by 3 subtract -x is equal to 5 by 6. अब हम क्या करेंगे, देखना यहाँ पे -x है, ये -x को मैं ट्रांसपोज करके राइट हैंड साइड भी ले जाऊंगा तो इट बिकम अ प्लस। सो -5 upon 3 इज इक्वल टू 5 upon 6 प्लस x हुआ। ओके, देन नाउ 5 upon 6 is transposed from the right hand side to left hand side, and 5 by 6 sign is plus. Okay, whenever it transposed to the left hand side it become a minus. So -5 by 3 minus 5 by 6 is equal to x is alone on the right hand side. So now we are getting the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, because of 6 is the number which are least commonly in the both multiple. So here -5 multiply with 2 upon 3 multiply with 2 -5 upon 6. 5 2s are 10 plus minus minus -10 upon 6 -5 upon 6. So here x is equal to -10 -5 upon 6. X is equal to same sign addition, 10 plus 5 15, and sign will be common or bigger value whatever, -15 upon 6. यहाँ पे हम लिस्ट नंबर ले सकते हैं, लाइक -5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6, 3 3 cut, then x is the simplest form is -5 upon 2, -5 upon 2. It's the answer number, I think on 10. It's a 10. Okay. जब मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ तभी आप अपने साथ ही लिखते जाना, ठीक है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. What number should be subtract from the 3 upon 7 to get the 5 upon 4? तो आपको होमवर्क में करना है सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए. What should be added to 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 to get -2 upon 15? 12 number. Let be the x is added to. Let be the x is added to which number? 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. To get -2 upon 15. So first of all, we get the simplification of 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, so here x plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to -2 upon 15. So first of we get the commutative property. We are applying the commutative property. We are simplify first bracket terms. Okay, so that x as it is, here we can get the LCM of 15. So, or we can also be apply the cross multiplication for the smaller number. So here we can get the 50. So 2 multiply with 5, 3 multiply with 5, 3 multiply with 3, 5 multiply with 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 15. X plus 5 2s are 10 upon 15 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 15 is equal to minus 2 upon 15. X plus 10 plus 9 19 upon 15 is equal to minus 2 upon 15. Now we are getting the x is alone on the left hand side. So whenever we transpose the 19 upon 15 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed. Here 19 upon 15 is plus. Whenever you transpose to the right hand side, it become a minus. So therefore we get minus 2 upon 50 minus 19 upon 15. Okay, here both denominator also be same, so we can get the directly operation on the numerator. So that x is equal to minus 2 minus 19 upon 15. So that x is equal to minus 21 upon 15, because here both sign will be same, so we can get the addition. Okay, now 12th किया 13 कराऊंगा, ठीक है, 13 कर लेते हैं, 14 आपको होमवर्क में दूंगा. इसके जैसा ही एग्जाम्पल है. मैं अभी बीच में पोस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो आप वीडियो को पोस्ट करके पूरा एग्जाम्पल अच्छे से अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लेना, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल आइडियली रहता है. ठीक है, मैं जब यहाँ पे करवाता हूँ तब आप पोस्ट करके एक एग्जाम्पल लिख लेना, जब मैं यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल करवाऊँगा तब पोस्ट करके आप ये वाला एग्जाम्पल लिख लेना. सो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू द 1/2 प्लस 1/3 प्लस 1/5 टू गेट 3. तब एग्जाम्पल नंबर 13. let be the x is add 2 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 to get 3. Okay, so here first of all simplify the x plus in the bracket 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 is equal to 3. Now we get the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. I think the 2, 3 and 5 LCM is 30. But according to the commutative property, first we are operated first two terms like this. Okay, so x plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/5 is equal to 1/3. ठीक है, हम पहले छोटे छोटे नंबर्स का एडिशन करेंगे. सो दैट x प्लस द LCM ऑफ 2 and 3 is 6. So 3/6 plus 2/6 plus 1/5 is equal to 3. x plus 3 plus 2 5/6 plus 1/5 is equal to 3. अब यहाँ पे जो आंसर आया उस आंसर का हम 1/5 के साथ एडिशन करेंगे. सो दैट x प्लस now LCM is 30. So here 5 5s upon 6 5s plus 1/5 multiply with 6 multiply with 6 is equal to 3. x plus 5 5s 25 upon 30 plus 6 1s 6 upon 13. So is equal to 3. x plus 25 plus 6 it become a 31 upon 30 is equal to 3. Now x is equal to, whenever the 31 upon 30 it transposed from the left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed. So here plus, and whenever you move it become a minus. 3 minus 31 upon 3. Now we are getting the LCM of 30. So x is equal to 3 multiply with 30 upon 30 minus 31 upon 30. So that x is equal to 3 3s are 90 minus 31 upon 30. So that x is equal to 9 and 4. It's a 49 upon 30. 59 upon 30. Write down your question. So now the question number 15, fill in the blanks. यहाँ पे fill in the blanks है, पर हमें तो completely करना पड़ेगा एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है. The first one is minus 4 upon 13 minus 3 upon 26. Then what is the answer? Directly तो हम बता नहीं सकते. So we can get the LCM of 13 and 26. तो 13 और 26 में LCM आएगा 26 because of 13 2s are 26. So that it is equal to minus 4 upon 13 minus 3 upon 26 is equal to minus 4 multiply with 2, 13 multiply with 2 minus 3 upon 26. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 upon 26 minus 3 upon 26 minus 8 minus 3 upon 26. Now here minus plus, so we can get minus 8 plus 3 upon 26. Opposite sign, subtraction, bigger value minus smaller value. 8 minus 3 it become a 5, and sign will be consideration as the bigger value. So answer is minus 5 upon 26. Second one is minus 9 upon 14 plus which value, then we can get minus 1. Okay. So if we want to the this blank, then we can get the minus 4 upon 40 is transposed to the right hand side. So let ऐसे ही हम directly करेंगे कि minus 9 upon 14 plus x is equal to minus 1. So that x is equal to minus 1 as it is. अब हमने ऐसे दाखले कई सारे किए, माइनस हो गया प्लस 9 upon 14. x as it is, the LCM is 14. So 14 was the 14, but यहाँ पे माइनस है तो minus 14 upon 14 plus 9 upon 14. x is equal to minus 14 plus 9 upon 14. The x is equal to opposite sign subtraction, 14 minus 9, it become a minus 5 upon 14. Then answer is minus 5 upon 14. Okay. तभी होगा ना माइनस, दोनों की साइन सेम है तो क्या होगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस 9 प्लस 5 14 माइनस 14 अपॉन 14 कट. सो आ गई आंसर मेरा minus 1. Third one is minus 7 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9 plus which value, then we can get 3. Okay. So here minus 7 upon 9 plus x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to, ये माइनस वैल्यू सामने जाएगी तो प्लस होगी. सो LCM इज 9 बिकॉज ऑफ इसके डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो 1 तो होगा ही होगा. तो यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 9 है, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर कैसा होना चाहिए, सेम होना चाहिए. लाइक फ्रैक्शन होने चाहिए। तो हम क्या करेंगे कि भाई 3 को 9 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड करेंगे, देन वी कैन गेट द एलसीएम ऑफ 9। 9 3 ज़ा 27 अपॉन 9 प्लस 7 अपॉन 9। x इज इक्वल टू 27 प्लस 7 34 अपॉन 9. So answer is 34 upon 9. So we have put the 34 upon 9. And the last is x plus, यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ blank plus 15 upon 23 is equal to 4. X plus 15 upon 23 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 15 upon 23. X is equal to 4 multiply with 23 upon 23 minus 15 upon 23. X is equal to 4 3 is 12, carry up 1, 4 2 is 8 plus 9, 92 minus minus 15 upon 23. X is equal to 77 upon 23. Then answer is 77 upon 23. So that यहाँ पे मेरी एक्सरसाइज 1.3 कंप्लीट होती है। ऑलमोस्ट सभी एग्जांपल्स करवाइए, कुछ छोड़ के जो सेम टू सेम थे वो आपको होमवर्क में सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए करने हैं। उसके बाद बचेगी एक्सरसाइज 1 एक लेक्चर 2 3 3 से 4 लेक्चर का काम अभी बाकी बचेगा। उसके बाद हम करेंगे पावर एंड एक्सपोनेंट, या तो जो चैप्टर एनसीईआरटी में चल रहा होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम कुछ और चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे जो आपको 9th और 10 में हेल्पफुल रहेगा। ठीक है, राइट डाउन दिस ऑल क्वेश्चंस आंसर इन योर आर डी शर्मा's book.